To show you how to wire a photocell and contactor. So let's begin. First, I'm going to connect my live and neutral wire from my breaker here to L1 and L2 of the contactor. So go ahead and do it. First, I'm going to connect my red wire, my live wire. Before I will connect it, I will put the one that will connect to L1 of the photocell. So I'll put the two wires this way. See it? This one will connect to L1 of the photocell, and this one will go to L1 of the contactor. So now we'll connect our neutral. Before I connect our neutral, we'll do the same thing again. We'll put two wires. So you see it. This one will go to neutral terminal of the photocell, and these two will connect to L1 and L2 of the contactor. So go ahead and connect it now. Now we are going to connect our bulb, our load. That's your load that you want to use the photocell to control. You will connect that your load to T1 and T2. If you are using a 3-phase, still the same pattern. So we are going to connect our bulb to T1 and T2 of the contactor. So go ahead and do it. My live wire to T1. And the neutral wire from my bulb to T2. See it? Your live wire, your input wire from your breaker to L1 and L2 of the contactor. Then the load, the load to T1 and T2. If you want to wire a 3-phase load, the same pattern. Now, these two wires, we are going to connect these two wires to L1 and neutral terminal of this our photocell here. So we'll go ahead and lose it. Look here closely, guys. Here you see L1 and here you see N, the neutral terminal. So go ahead and connect my live wire to L1. Then the neutral wire to neutral terminal. Here you can see N here, the neutral terminal. I'll go ahead and put the wire and I'll tighten it precisely. Now, this output, this load, you see LO here. This LO is the load. We are going to connect this LO from here directly to A1 of our contactor coil. From here to A1 of our contactor coil. So go ahead and do it. So I'm going to connect this wire to LO, the load. So let me unscrew here, put the wire and tighten it precisely. You see it? LO. This one now will go to the contactor coil. So let me show you. These two terminals, here is the A1 of the contactor and this one is the A2 of the contactor. So we are going to connect this wire to A1 of our contactor. So let's go ahead and do it. I'll put the wire to A1 and I'll tighten it. So now we are going to connect our neutral from here to A2 of our contactor. Our neutral will go from here to A2. So go ahead and do it. I'm going to loop the wire from A1, L2 here to A2 of our contactor. So go ahead and do it. Put the wire to A2 and lock it. Then from here to A2, this is A2 here, I will unscrew it and put the wire. After that, I will tighten it precisely. You see it. Now we are done with the connection, so we'll go ahead and test right now. See it. Now it's night. Our